Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nubia Music, and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So let's start with opening the Play Store. First of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection, and secondly, make sure that you've got your Google account added to the device. That's how you will be able to follow all of my steps, and if you're not sure how to do it, simply check our tutorial of how to add or remove a Google account in this specific device. Let me give a second, just give me a second, I will enter the password and we will come back. Alright, we've got it. So now we are in the Google Play Store. So all we have to do is to tap on this circle in the right upper corner, which is your account. Let's tap on it and tap on Manage Apps and Device. Now we have to tap on Manage and go to Updates Available. And as you can see here, we've got the list of apps which can be updated, so just mark those which you want to. Of course, you can mark all of them. I'll choose maybe Google Chrome and Google Messages. And after that, simply tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. Now your device will download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.